Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that we have the formula cosine 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sine a squared. So we just concentrate about cosine y. Cosine y we can put into cosine of number 2 multiplied by y over 2. And capital A, that is about y over 2. Now, we need to transform this one into this one. Next, 1 minus 1 we cancel negative and negative, we have positive. Next, I will put number 2 gone here. Next, I will put about y squared over 4 on numerator and denominator. Sorry, y over 4. You will have like this. Next, this one combined with this one, we have like this. Next, we have the formula this one we have number 1 because y approach to number 0 in here. So this one you got number 1. Now we can put number 0 cone here and number 0 cone here. And then we have the final answer. So we see that we have number 0. So you got 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.